Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to edit the checkout page in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com website, and to edit or customize your checkout page in Squarespace, first click on Login, then fill in your email address and password and hit Login again. On this page, click on this website button below your desired website. Then click on this settings little icon. A new window pops up. Go to Selling and scroll down to Checkout. There are many checkout settings you can play with, but things that you can edit on your checkout page can be quantity for service. For example, you can let customers buy multiple service products by showing the quantity fields in the purchase flow. You can edit the next order number. You can allow customers to sign up for your marketing emails during checkout, disable or enable this option. And you can also check the billing address as the shipping address by default, just like that. And for the default country in the address field, you can select one from this list. You can also collect additional information from customers during checkout. You can collect your customer's phone number with shipping address or billing address, just like that. If you want to save these options, just click on this save button. In my case, I don't want to save these modifications. You can also define your return policy, terms of service and privacy policy. You can write them here. And from the bottom of this page, you can customize your checkout page, just like that. A new window pops up. Just click on the element you want to edit or customize, and you can start. You can enable or disable showing your logo. You can also edit your logo text color. Same thing with the header color. You can set up header border color and also the logo alignment. Click on show all in order to show all the settings you can edit. You can also edit the buttons colors. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Like that. And you can